Ever lie in bed scrolling through your phone, seeing someone flaunt their $1,000 side hustle and wonder, I want that too, but where do I even start? You search and you're flooded with hundreds of ideas, online sales, writing, investing, TikTok. It's paralyzing. Too many choices, too much risk, and you have no clue which path fits you. It feels like standing at the edge of a dense jungle without a single map in your hand. Most people fail at side hustles not because they're lazy, but because they pick the wrong battlefield. They jump into something complex, capital-intensive, or utterly mismatched with their life and personality. After a few disappointing weeks, they quit and conclude it's just not for me. Today, things will be different. I'm not giving you another long list of ideas. Instead, I'm handing you a map. More specifically, a compass. Your job isn't to blindly pick an idea out of thin air. Your job is to use this compass to locate yourself, and from there find the most fitting path to hit that first milestone, $500 a month. This number isn't about getting rich. It's about proving to yourself that you can. And when you have that $500 worth of confidence, everything changes. So what's on this compass? It has 3 simple coordinates: time capital, skill capital, and personality capital. Let's calibrate it. First, be brutally honest about your time capital. You can't build an online store needing 8 hours of daily upkeep if you only have 5 free hours a week. Grab a paper and answer, each week, how many hours can you realistically commit to this side project? 2 hours, 5 hours, 10? Pick a practical number, not a dream number. This number will decide the scale of your first project. 5 hours a week is enough to start a small, focused project. Never underestimate the power of 5 hours of deliberate work. Next is skill capital. Stop thinking you have no skills. Think differently. What are you relatively better at than someone else? Can you fix a leaky faucet while your neighbor can't? Can you use Excel to build a schedule while your coworker struggles for hours? Can you write a clear email, organize an event, or are you just a really patient listener? List 3 to 5 things you can do that would help another person. A skill isn't always coding or design. It can be organizing, advising, teaching, or connecting people. And finally, and most crucially, personality capital. Are you an introvert or an extrovert? Do you enjoy working directly with people, or do you prefer working alone behind a screen? Do you thrive on creative freedom, or do you prefer repetitive, systematic processes? Someone who hates sales will be miserable doing live stream sales. Someone who's impatient will quit a blog that takes 6 months to get views. Choose a battlefield that fits who you are. Don't try to become someone else. Now, with these 3 coordinates, we'll chart 3 main paths on the map, each leading to $500 a month. Path 1, microservices. This is the fastest route to your first dollar. You use your skill to solve a specific, small problem for a specific person. Example, you're good with Excel. Instead of thinking, I need to make a course, think, can I help a small shop owner set up a weekly expense report in 2 hours? Set a price, $50 for 2 hours of work. You only need to find 10 such clients in a month to hit $500. How to start? Tell 5 friends or colleagues, I'm sharpening my Excel or writing or basic design skills and want to take on a small project at a discount for experience. Do you know anyone who needs help? Don't be afraid. Most people will want to help. Path 2, simple digital products. This path suits those who like to build once and sell many times, but don't think of a massive course. Think small. A template you've created and use effectively. Example, you have a killer personal budget system on Google Sheets. Clean it up, make it pretty, record a 5-minute tutorial video, and sell it for $15. If 34 people buy it in a month, you've hit your goal. You don't need to be a world-class expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of your buyer and package your solution. Path 3, Tiny Physical Arbitrage. This is for those who like to touch the product. The idea is to find something available at a low price in one place and resell it where people are willing to pay more. No need for container shipments. Start with things around you. Example, you enjoy hunting for vintage or cool secondhand items at thrift stores. You can clean them up, take great photos, and resell them on Facebook Marketplace or niche groups for a higher price. The profit per item might only be $20 to $50, but is cash and teaches you a ton about the market.
Now, look at your compass.
If you have low time capital, are introverted, and have technical skills, maybe path number 2, digital products, is for you. If you have some time, enjoy communication, and are good at a specific task, path number 1, services, will give you fast results. If you like to move around, have an eye for aesthetics, and are a bit adventurous, path number 3 could be a fun adventure. Once you've chosen a path, here's how you take the first steps in just the next 7 days. Day 1 to 2, the 5-minute research. Find 3 people already doing something similar online. See how they pitch, what they charge, how they talk to customers. Don't copy, learn. Day 3, create a minimum viable test in 90 minutes. If it's a service, write a short description of how you can help. If it's a digital product, create a simple Google Doc or Canva page. If it's arbitrage, take photos of your first 3 items. Done, not perfect. Day 4, share with 3 trusted people. Send it to them and ask, does this make sense? Is it clear? Listen to their feedback and adjust. Day 5 to 7, launch your first sale expedition. Post it in one single place. It could be a Facebook status, a post in one relevant group, or a message to 2 friends who've complained about this problem before. The goal isn't to make $500. The goal is to get your first piece of feedback. A like, a question, even a no thank you is a win because it means you've stepped out of your comfort zone. Remember, this map doesn't lead you to instant treasure. It leads you out of paralysis and gives you a clear direction. Your first $500 isn't hidden in a magical idea. It's in your willingness to pick a path and stick with it long enough to learn and adjust. When you earn that first $50, you'll no longer be someone who wants a side hustle. You'll be someone who has a side hustle. That identity is more powerful than any motivation. So, take out your compass, plot your coordinates, choose a path, and in the next 7 days, take that first step. I can't promise you instant success, but I can promise you won't feel lost anymore. And if you want me to walk with you, showing you more specific milestones on the journey from $0 to $500 and beyond, make sure to subscribe. Every week, we'll untangle the knots and move one step forward together. Let's get started. I'll see you on the path you choose.